future of leadership is not about managing large number of people or handling a big business account or even fancy titles. Leadership is oftentimes the most misunderstood word with all kinds of management jargon. Frankly speaking, it's not about your experiences, your competencies and skills. It's truly about learning how to lead yourself and in the process becoming a better personal leader for the future. Only to help you become a better personal leader, we have designed a one-day intensive program, Lead to Win. What will happen in this one-day program is we will get you to think deeply about your own core values, your mindsets, your belief systems, and your attitude towards your life, your career, or your business. We will help you reframe some of your fundamental mindsets and belief systems such that it will add value, tremendous value to your life, your career, or your business. If you are thinking about investing in yourself, I can promise you Lead2Win is the best possible investment you can make in yourself, your senior managers, and your key team members. Find below the details of our next scheduled one-day program, Lead2Win. Call 918531018531 for more details and registrations. I'm excited about this one-day program, Lead2Win, the psychology of personal leadership. I'm looking forward to see you and meet you and invest one full day with you and your team members in our program, Lead2Win. So go ahead, my dear friends, register yourself and nominate your friends, relatives, and team members to this one day of intensive investment, Lead2Win, psychology of personal leadership. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.